We are here in Akaroa mo te hui whakau e te tiriti o Ngāi Tahu, the Ngāi Tahu Waitangi Day commemorations. We've just seen a group of ministers come through not long ago, some familiar names and some familiar faces, including the likes of Jane Meagher, who is the current MP for Te Waipounamu. Jerry Brownlee has arrived as well. Some other familiar names, the likes of Megan Woods. We also have Kahurangi Kata, a good showing from some of the many different parties. We've spoken to our whānau Ōnuku as well. They're very excited to host this event. This is the first time since 2019. They were meant to host in 2022. This happens every 3 years. Ngāi Tahu Ōnuku Aroha Mai hosts this event. However, they weren't able to host in 2022 due to COVID. So take a look as we spoke to them about their preparations.
Look, I hosted several Prime Ministers here, different occasions, so one more wouldn't make it dead, but it puts us on the map.
A really wonderful opportunity for us as a iwi to share with them our thoughts about what's been happening over the last 12 months since they came into Parliament.
I think Prime Minister might be in for some opinions and people sharing, and I think that's really important.
So it means coming together, celebrating all things Māori, all things Aotearoa, and doing it with a smile.
He tangata tiriti ahau. To me, Waitangi Day is a day to really, I guess, almost take a back seat as tangata tiriti. It's a day to celebrate, but making sure that we're honouring. This is about being tiriti partners. This is about coming to the marae in the back and chopping fish.
Through Ngāi Tahu, they've helped us out with Ngāi Tahu seafoods, bringing us the crayfish quarter. Also with just over the other side of the harbour, Akaroa salmon, Ngāi Tahu farms supplying our meat. It's a real buzz, so we'll do our utmost best to please everyone, and that no one goes away hungry.
I think he'll definitely be challenged to some of the kōrero that he'll hear on the paipai. My hope is that he'll be open and he'll take away some of those messages to help us move forward collectively as a country.
Looking like it's going to be a beautiful day here at Ōnuku Marae. So, as you can see behind me, to our left over here, we have some government officials, ministers, we have council officials, the Mayor of Christchurch is here, Phil Major as well as some local council. Then to our right is the manuhiri. So Pākehā mai, Māori mai, Katai mai, te tini me te mano. And then up here we have the beautiful marae, the whare that is Karaweko. You can see, you might be able to see the paipai kōrero. We're going to have some very interesting wiro, I am told, that will be laid out on the paipai today. Also some kai karanga will also be laying out some wiro, as well as kai wiro who will be coming down this road down here. It is panning out to be a beautiful day. So the pōwhiri was due to kick off at 9. This may change the schedule just a little bit. Following the pōwhiri, there will be a formal address from the Governor-General, Cindy Kiro. Now, Cindy Kiro is a representative, a māngai, for the monarch, King Charles here in Aotearoa. After that will be a kapu tea. Then followed by that, we're expecting to hear from the kai whakahaere of Ngāi Tahu, who is waiting up here at the moment, Justin Tipa. And then as well, there will be the Prime Minister, Christopher Luxon, will be having a kōrero also. This day is looking to be a momentous occasion e hoa ma. I know that the Ōnuku whānau have been planning throughout the entire week. It has been a big week of preparations. And then, of course, so on top of that, there will also be panel discussions happening. So those will be kicking off at 11:45. There are stalls up the hill. I've had a little look. There's coffee stalls, there's some kete, some poi for sale. There will be kai as well. And speaking of kai, there has been some crayfish has come in kaura, there's blue cod, there's also akaroa salmon being featured in the menu, and then for the public we have a hangi. Nobody is missing out, nobody is going hungry today. So I think for now, e hoa ma, our kai karanga are looking like they're getting ready. So e hoa ma, today is going to be a day rangatira to rangatira, as it should be on Waitangi